Mastering the groove. Understanding, get into the groove. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an interesting and fun English phrase that you might have heard in songs, movies, or everyday conversations. Get into the groove. This expression has a cool vibe to it, and understanding it can really help you sound more natural and fluent in English. So, let's get started and explore what it means to get into the groove. Get into the groove is an idiomatic expression that originally comes from the world of music. To understand it, let's break it down. Groove, in music, refers to a rhythmic pattern that feels catchy and makes you want to move or dance. It's all about finding that perfect rhythm that just clicks. When someone says, "Get into the groove," they're generally talking about finding their rhythm or getting into a perfect flow. Not just in music, but in any activity. It means becoming fully engaged, enjoying what you're doing, and performing at your best. This phrase can be used in various contexts, from work and studying to sports and personal hobbies. Now, let's see how you can use "get into the groove" in everyday English. In work, once I get into the groove, I can work for hours without taking a break. Everything just flows. In personal hobbies, I love painting on weekends. It takes me a little while, but once I get into the groove, I feel like I can create anything. In sports, during the game, it took me a few minutes to get into the groove, but once I did, I played one of my best matches ever. Understanding the context can help you use this phrase correctly and sound more like a native speaker. Interestingly, "get into the groove" also reflects a cultural moment of the 1980s, partly thanks to the famous Madonna song, "Into the Groove," which celebrated the joy of dancing and feeling the music. This song helped popularize the expression and gave it a broader meaning related to finding joy and energy in what you're doing, embracing the moment, and letting go of worries. We hope this video helps you get into the groove of using this vibrant expression in your English conversations. Remember, learning a language is also about getting into the cultural groove, understanding the idioms and expressions that make it unique. So, keep practicing, and don't be afraid to use "get into the groove" next time you find yourself fully immersed and enjoying an activity. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.